In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky section on your Wix website. If you've been wanting that sticky section effect, where your chosen element remains pinned as the user scrolls down the page, you're in the right place. This effect can be particularly useful for keeping essential information or navigation menus visible and easily accessible to your website visitors. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, let's head over to Wix Studio. Once you're logged in, make sure you have your site open in the editor so we can start customizing the layout. Now, to create a sticky section, you'll want to decide which section of your page you wish to stick. This could be, for example, a contact form, a subscription button, or anything you feel should be consistently in view as the visitor scrolls through your content. When you've identified the section you want to modify, click on it to select. With it selected, turn your attention to the sidebar and click on the Position option. This will open up a set of position settings for your section. Here, you can configure where your section is anchored on the page. Look for the setting labeled as Position Type. Here lies the key to making your section sticky. Click on Position Type. From the drop-down that appears, you'll see the option to choose Sticky. Go ahead and select that option. Now, your section is configured to be sticky, but there's one more detail to adjust. After choosing Sticky, make sure to click on the Sticky setting itself. This confirms that we're sticking the section to the page. With the Sticky feature enabled, you'll have another important setting. Where you want the sticky section to stick. You'll most likely want this to be at the top, which is common for sticky headers or menus. So hover over and click on Top to finalize this choice. Now that you've set your section to sticky at the top, it's crucial to preview your changes to ensure everything is working smoothly. Seek out the Preview button. This is typically located at the top right of the editor. Clicking it will open a viewer that simulates how your website will appear to users. Take a moment to scroll through your site in this preview mode. Watch how the sticky section remains in place as you scroll. It should stay fixed at the top, exactly where you want it. If everything looks good and you're happy with the setup, you're all set. And there you have it. A sticky section on your Wix website. Before you exit, take the chance to make any additional tweaks needed to perfect your layout. Remember, being thoughtful about which elements you choose to make sticky can greatly enhance the user experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.